Welcome to our new Texas size showroom where you can enjoy even more Texas size savings. Over 8,000 square feet worth of appliances and bundles for you to choose from. Afraid that you'll miss us? Don't be. We're open all 7 days a week. Friendly reminder, we also offer complimentary delivery and ground floor installations within 25 miles. Lastly, thank you for supporting my team and I. We truly appreciate the opportunity to take care of you, your family, and our community.